You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. From Italian, it means man, as in the plural of man in Italian. So you got one man is uomo with an O. Now if you have several men, and it's also mankind, in Italian it's pronounced as uomini. Italian pronunciation, uomini. The stress is on the O syllable, uomini. Now in English you could say it as uomini, uomini. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.